Hello there and welcome to my channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys how you can turn off your active status on your Facebook. So in this case, if you are online on Facebook, people are not going to see you are online because your active status has been turned off. So in this case, if they glance through active people and the rest, they are still not going to find you. So I'm going to show you guys how to do this in this video. Very much simple and easy. So to do this, just tap on the messaging button there. Good. So on here, we just tap on this, which is the settings we see here in our chat. Very much simple. So tap on that. Good. And you can see active status here. So tap on the active status. And you can see mine has been turned off. So by default, it should be turned on like this. So here, you just turn it off like that. And you confirm and you turn it off. So they are telling you here that people or your friends and connection won't see if you're active. They're not going to see active 5 minutes ago, 1 hour ago, 1 day ago. They're not going to see that. And they're not going to see that green button as well. So if you're online, you're online. Nobody's going to know. So that's it on how you can turn off your active status on your Facebook. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. And I also have a lot of tutorial videos on Facebook. You can check them out on my channel. That's it. Peace.